Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here on YOUCANIC we have our 2012 Hyundai Sonata, and we're going to go over the process of how you would reinstall your bumper. Say you've taken the bumper off because you need to do some work behind it. We're now going to go through the process of putting it back on. So we need to raise it up, have it slide under here, have this tab to be on top of the plastic, and then wrap it around the car itself. And then we've got the push pins. Put in these two right here. You'll do this on both sides. It is where you take the bumper and you put it in that channel there, so that it can lock in and it snaps into place. And then you also want to reach in here and re-hook up your fog light before you seal everything off. We've got our size 10 bolt that goes right up in here. Okay, so we've got this side all done. You do the same on the other side. Then you've got your number 10 bolt that goes here, number 10 on the other side also, and all these push pins to put in. And then you'll go ahead and install all those push pins, and then you've got the few push pins from the bumper, or not the bumper, from the fender well that you would put in down here on the bottom side and attach that all. And that would be how you reinstall your bumper on your 2012 Hyundai Sonata. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.